This is the weather forecast video for Friday, October the 14th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You see a storm system over the Great Lakes states that produced some rainfall over us a few days ago, and a new storm system moving out of the Pacific Northwest that could produce some clouds and some moisture over us in a few days. Here's the watch warning map from around midnight. A frost advisory over Colorado, southwest Nebraska, northwestern Kansas. High wind watch over western New York. A flood watch over New England. Otherwise, it was fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows rainfall amounts anywhere between about 1/4 and a half inch across the state. This is with this disturbance that will come over the weekend with the heaviest amounts over the Great Lakes states and South Florida. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a northwesterly flow aloft with a vortex over the Great Lakes states with the storm system that moved away. Ridge over the desert southwest. The surface shows there's the storm northeast of us. Will be clear and cool with highs in the 60s, which is seasonal for this time of the year, so no big thing about that. We head off into Saturday. Football doesn't look to be much of a problem for any of the games. Clear, sunny, highs in the 60s. Some increasing clouds late in the day with the storm system off to our west, which by Sunday is now just beginning to exit the state, so rain will be likely a Saturday night through about Sunday afternoon event from west to east, with highs in the 60s. Monday, another disturbance comes in this fast flow. This one a little stronger, could produce some more showers, especially in western Iowa on Sunday or Monday. By Tuesday, that storm is now off to the east, and this brings cool air down. Highs could drop into the 50s, maybe even a few upper 40s in some areas. Wednesday morning could be quite cool. We could see some widespread low 30s, maybe even a few upper 20s, with highs in the 50s to near 60 for highs under sunshine and a few afternoon clouds. Thursday, same. Be a little warmer as southerly winds begin to take hold. Temperatures in the 60s, maybe a few upper 50s after lows in the mid to upper 30s. And a week from today, on the 21st, pretty much a west-east flow. A few ripples in the flow, one to our west, one to our east, with a ridge over South Texas. At the surface, southwesterly winds aloft, with a new cold front developing over the plain states, which could bring some excitement by the following weekend. We move ahead to October 25th. There could be a big trough over the western Great Lakes in the plain states, and ridge developing just to the west of that and over New England. The surface, this could be a big storm system. Rain, showers, maybe isolated thunderstorms, with some cold air coming in behind it once more. And at the end of the forecast period, October the 29th, yet again another trough over the Rockies and high plains with a southwesterly wind aloft with a ridge over the deep south. And at the surface, new low near eastern Colorado, and maybe some high mountain snow, and a huge storm system off the Pacific Northwest coast. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.